All Black militia is planning to maintain an armed march in Louisville on Saturday to call for justice for Breonna Taylor, in keeping with her video from the leader of the institution. In a video posted Monday, Johnson said that the institution will meet at midday Saturday at significant bersenjata lengkap. Milisi NFAC unjuk rasa anti-rasisme. Puluhan militan NFAC saat melakukan unjuk rasa di Louisville, Kentucky, 25 Juli 2020. Kelompok milisi NFAC dan membawa sejumlah senapan semi-otomatis dan shotgun saat berunjuk rasa. Reuters Brian Wolfson subscribe sign in up next with militias expected in town. All eyes could be on Louisville. Opposing armed militias converge in Louisville, escalating tensions but avoiding violence. Chris Cummings, Philip M. Bailey, Hayes Gardner, Savannah A. Adams and Ben Tobin. Louisville Courier-Journal pukul 10:18 AM/DT Juli 27, 2020. NFAC or not asking around coalition came to Louisville demanding justice for Breonna Taylor, who was fatally shot by police in March. Multiple special to the Courier-Journal, Louisville Courier-Journal. Louisville, key to opposing heavily armed militia groups came within a few dozen yards of each other in downtown Louisville on Saturday night. A standoff that ended without violence, but marked an escalation after 2 months of ongoing protests over the police shooting of a black woman. More than 300 members of the Atlanta-based black militia NFAC, or not asking around coalition, came to Louisville demanding justice for 26-year-old Breonna Taylor, an air technician who was fatally shot by officers in March. Wearing all black and carrying assault rifles, members marched in military-style formation from Baxter Park in the Russell neighborhood to Metro Hall, where they stopped around pukul 2:45 PM at police barricades. Right across was a smaller group of 50 far-right 3% militia members, who were also heavily armed.